To own or ride a super fast motorcycle may be one of your dreams. Feel the rise of your adrenaline when you are at high speed on a motorcycle. Riding a super bike becomes more thrilling and adventurous than cars. They scream of freedom from the daily drone, giving you a means of kick-starting your boring commute. Let's take a look at 10 fastest motorcycles in the world. And by the way, H2I is not the fastest in the list. Sounds interesting? Let's hop in. The Aprilia RSV 1000R is a sport bike motorcycle made by Italian company Aprilia from 2004 through 2010. Along with the bike's redesign, Aprilia renamed the RSV from RSV Mile to RSV 1000R. It is offered in three versions. RSV 1000R is the standard version, the higher spec version is the RSV 1000R Factory, and Aprilia made a limited version called RSV 1000R Nera. Equipped with an aggressive new derived cowl, the more aerodynamic bodywork delivers ultimate performance. Next generation LED headlights and restyled LED position lights reinforce the bike's intimidating presence, and with the new brake control and engine brake management systems, you are in full control. Each of the 7 adjustable electronic rider aids can be fine-tuned in seconds via the YRC system. And with uprated suspension, a highly redefined EU5 engine and premium RS11 tires, the YZF R1 has just raised the bar to a new level. This is one of my favorite bikes and I love the design with the top speed of 299 km per hour. With 998cc liquid cooled inline 4-cylinder 4 strokes which gives you 175 horsepower, it's just amazing. The incredibly powerful 1441cc inline 4-cylinder engine of the Ninja ZX14R ABS motorcycle comes with 2 selectable power modes: full power for peak performance and low power for middle response to deliver approximately 75% of full power output. Ooh, BMW S1000RR. This bike is a race-oriented sport bike initially made by BMW Motorrad to compete in the 2009 Superbike World Championship. This is now in commercial production. It was introduced in Munich in April 2008 and is powered by a 999cc 4-cylinder engine redlined at 14,200 rpm. Suzuki Hayabusa is one of the famous and fast bikes that everyone knows about. With a top speed of 303 to 312 km per hour and with the engine of 1299cc 4-stroke inline 4 that gives you 173.9 horsepower, that's just insane. The Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird is a comfortable sports tourer with great power. It is a reliable, good-looking Honda package and we have to say one of the best all-round motorcycles on the market. It is quite highly spec'd up and feels a real treat when you get out on the open road. I want this motorbike right now because the MTT Y2K turbine motorcycle, which is also known as the Y2K turbine superbike, is an American motorcycle powered by a turboshaft engine and it is made by Marine Turbine Technologies since 2000. The bikes are not mass produced in continuous series. Each unique bike is handmade to order after receiving the buyer's specification, which means we can customize it like whatever we want. Okay, now this is my dream bike, but it's not road legal. And I know that you may be thinking that if H2R is in second, so what about the number one? Believe me, that bike is beast. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R gets its power from a 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The supercharged engine is good for producing a maximum power output for 305 horsepower, along with a peak torque of 165 Nm. Now is the time you all have been waiting for. As they were not street legal, Dodge called the Tomahawk a rolling sculpture not intended to be ridden. With a top speed of 480 to 680 km per hour and with the engine of 8.3 liter V10 which gives you 500 horsepower. That's crazy. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Make sure to subscribe the channel and become the part of the family, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.